Hi students, now we are going to discuss about chapter 12 exponents and powers. Already we started this topic, remaining questions we can discuss. Here in this chapter, next Roman they says that evaluate means find out the value. Evaluate first question 8 raised to minus 1 into 5 raised to 3 by 2 raised to minus 4. In this way they gave the question. How to evaluate? We know which 8 raised to minus 1 represent as a negative. In negative integer case, how we can express a 1 by a raised to n. A raised to minus n is equal to 1 by a raised to n. So that form. Here we first part 1 8 raised to minus 1 we can write it as 1 by 8 into 5 raised to 3 by 2 raised to minus 4 also there. How we can express 1 by 2 raised to 4, that minus sign will again. So this part denominator is again is in the fractional form, that's why it goes to be numerator. So we can have 1 by 8 into 5 raised to 3 already there, 1 by 2 raised to 4 reciprocal coming as 2 raised to 4 by 1. Cancellation possible, cancelled or directly right. But 1 by 8, how we can express 1 by 8? 1 by 2 raised to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 2 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 4. See, both are in which form? 2 raised to 4 is in the numerator, 2 raised to 3 in the denominator. They are in the division form. Laws of exponent division form. Laws of exponent division form, same base means base, right? Here base is 2. Powers are subtract. 3 power is a numerator, power is a 4, denominator power is a 3. They are subtract. Then second number is 5 raised to 4 minus 3 because how much? 1. 2 raised to 1. 2 raised to 1 means how much? 2 raised to 2 only there. Into 5 raised to 3. 5 raised to 3, how we can explain? 5. 5 is how many times? Right hand multiply 3 times right hand multiply. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. 125 into 2 because how much? 2 5s are 10. 5 250 is the final answer. They ask you like that, evaluate, find out the value of this given exponent. So we got the answer as 250 is the answer. Same way, first you identify which laws of exponent is suitable. Minus case, a raised to minus n, how we can write a fractional form right in time, minus sign will remove. Second question, 5 raised to minus 1 into 2 raised to minus 1, bracket outside 6 raised to minus 1 in this way. Here also which exponential form? A raised to minus n. How we can express? It can be expressed as in form of a fractional form. So here 5 raised to minus 1 we can write it as 5 raised to 1 by 5 raised to 1. 5 raised to 1 means leave it 5 only. Then 2 raised to minus 1, how we can write? 1 by 2. Then into 6 raised to minus 1, how to write? 1 by 6. Inside bracket see adding form, but their denominators are different. That's why LCM become 5 into 2 cross multiplied. So 2 plus 5 cross multiplied with the 1. 2 plus 5 by denominator into denominator. 5 2s are how much? 10. Outside which number is there? 1 by 6. Again calculation, 2 plus 5 comes to be 7 by 10 into 1 by 6. Here 7 and 6 cancellation not possible. 1 and 10 cancellation not possible. Then what we want to do? Multiply a numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. 1 into 7 becomes 7, 10 into 6 because how much? 67 by 60 is the answer. I hope you can understand this evaluation. Next we go through find the value of second Roman. Second Roman they says find the value of m. Find the value of m. Value of m. Expression given as 5 which 5 raised to m divided by 5 raised to minus 3 is equal to 5 raised to 5. This m value find out. Here power m is that power m value find out. How to find? First you consider the expression is in which form? Division form. In division case, how we can write? A raised to m by a raised to n form. So here 5 raised to m by 5 raised to minus 3 left side. Right side part have no change. 5 raised to 5 is the right side part number. Again, which form this one? A raised to m by a raised to n. What is the answer? Same base means base right to one time. Powers are subtract. M and n are the powers. Same powers are subtract. Here also same process. 5 base is 5. Powers are m minus, but n value also minus 3. So m minus minus. Right side part is in 5 raised to 5. That part have no change. Again calculation. 5 raised to m minus of minus change to plus 3 equal 5 raised to 5. Left side also base 5, right side also base 5. In this left and right side same base means powers consider and calculation. Here power is left side power is m plus 3. Then right side power is 5. Here power of 5 is 5. Then m value linear equation form. Plus 3 goes to opposite side comes to be minus 3. So 5 minus 3 become how much? Therefore m value become 2 is the answer. In this way we want to find out the m value. I hope you can understand this question. Then next we go through third question. Third Roman. In third Roman also evaluating type question. Third Roman evaluator. There also find out the value. First question is square bracket is there. Inside the small bracket 1 by 3 raised to minus 1. Minus again small bracket inside is the raised to minus 1. Then flower bracket, this bracket we call it as a name as a flower. Outside a minus 1 is there. Here no square, this is the flower bracket. Here inside the flower bracket another small bracket are there. In that small bracket fractional numbers are there. How to do that? Here also which form? A raised to minus n for. How we can write 1 by a fractional form we can. So flower bracket you don't open that, but once again write 1 by 3 raised to minus 1. How we can? 1 by a power n. Here a means a base. Here base value is how much? 1 by 3 raised to 1 means 1. Leave it. Minus here also it is in which form? 1 by fractional form we can write. 1 by base is 1 by 4. Then close the square flower bracket. Outside also another minus 1 is there. You see 1 is already in the denominator. 1 by 3 is in the denominator. 1 is in the numerator. 1 by 3 is in the denominator. So fractional number comes on the denominator. What we want to do? Reciprocal take. 1 by 3 reciprocal become 3 by 1. So 1 is already in numerator. 1 is 3 by 1. Denominator 1. Here second part also for numerator 1 is the 1 by 4 reciprocal become 4 by 1. And then square flower bracket outside a minus 1 is. The calculation 1 into 3 become 3 minus 1 into 4 become 4 outside a minus 1 is. 3 minus 4 become how much? Minus 1. So opposite side we subtract and put a big numbers outside. Which number is the minus 1? Meaning this also which form? A raised to minus n form. We can express as in form of a raised 1 by a. There also we can 1 by minus 1 will get it. That is finally what we can say answer because how much? Minus 1 is the answer. I hope you can understand this first question. Then next we go through second question. Second question case same evaluation question. Find out the value 5 by 8 raised to minus 7 into 8 by 5 raised to minus 4. In this way they given. Here how we can express as means easy way power that a raised to that form or the bracket to remove. How to remove the bracket means each power. Here minus 7 is the power minus 7 give to the each number and cancellation goes to cancel. So numerator part 5 is there given by the power minus 7. Denominator 8 is there given by the power minus 7 into second number have a power minus 4 is the numerator part give the power minus 4. Denominator is 5 give the power as minus 4. Then cancellation here we can laws of exponent division case we can apply. Here see 5 raised to minus 7 in the numerator, 5 raised to minus 4 in the, they are same base, that's why. So answer how we can write same base means it is in form of a raised to m by a raised to, what is the answer? Base same means base right to one time powers are subtract. Here base is 5. Then what are the powers? Minus 7 minus n value here denoted as 4 for the then into here also they have same base. What is the base? A is the base. Here we apply a raised to m by a raised to n identity, a raised to powers are sub this identity. Here we apply. Here base are same, that's why base 8, right? Powers numerator power right to first, that is the m value minus 4 minus denominator power secondly, right? That is minus. Again calculation 5 raised to minus 7 minus of minus change to plus 4 into 8 raised to minus 4 minus of minus 7 comes to be plus. Again calculate. Calculation doing a 5 raised to 1 is negative integer, other is a positive. What we want to do? Subtract. 7 minus 4 comes to be 3. Which 3 minus 3 into 8 raised to 1 is negative, other is positive. Subtract and put. So answer becomes 7. 8 raised to 3 is the answer. Positive. Why? Because 7 have a positive. Then again this is in which form? A raised to minus n. How we can express it? Write as in form of 1 by a raised to n. So this part we can write it as 1 by 5 raised to 3 into this part 8 raised to 3. 8 raised to 3 means meaning is 8 is how many times right multiply 3 times. 5 raised to 3 means how many times right multiply 3 times. 8 into 8 is 64. 64 into 8 comes to be 512. Then denominator 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. This is the final answer. I hope you can understand how to solve this sum. Then next step, simplification question. Next one is simplify. Next part, fourth bit is simplify. Simplify question. First question 25 into t raised to minus 4 by 5 raised to minus 3 into 10 into t raised to minus 8. Answer find out. That first step 25, how we can write? 25 means 5 square represent as 5 into 5 comes to be 25. How to write as in power notation? 5 raised to 2 into t raised to minus 4. Numerator. Denominator 5 raised to minus 3 into 10. How we can split and write? 2 into 5 comes to be 10. Then into t power minus 8. Again calculation, same base. See this these are a same base. Same base calculation doing. Powers are 5 raised to which form a raised to m by a raised to n. How we can write a raised to m minus n. So here base is 5, power are 2 minus n value represent as minus 3 into these two are a same base. What is the base? T is the base. Powers are minus 4 minus of n value represent as minus 6. Denominator which number is that? 2 into 5 is remaining on the denominator. Again 5 raised to 2 minus of minus change to plus 3 into t raised to minus 4 minus of minus change to plus 8 divided by 2 into 5. Again calculation 5 raised to 2 plus 3 become how much? 5 raised to 5 into t raised to 1 is negative, other is positive, subtract and put to big number side. So t raised to 4. Again denominator is 2 into 5. Again see they have same base. So that same process doing this 5 raised to 5 base here power is 1, so 5 minus 1 into t power 4 divided by denominator 2. So final answer become how much? Final answer become 5 raised to 4 into t power 4 divided by 2 is the final answer. See 5 raised to 5 is the 2 plus 3 become how much? 5 into minus 4 plus 8. One is negative, other is positive. What we want to do? Subtract and put big numbers. And subtraction do in time plus 4 will come in denominator. 2 into 5 is there. Again which form these two are? These two are in form of a raised to m by a raised to n form. Division case base right one time, powers are subtract. Base is 5, power here 1 5, here nothing is there, means here how much is the power? 1 is the power. So 5 minus 1, powers are subtract, into t power 4 divided by 2. Again 5 minus 1 become how much? 4. 5 raised to 4 into t power 4 divided by 2 is the final answer. Then next one more question. Second question. In second question they tells about 3 raised to minus 5 into 10 raised to minus 5 into 125 divided by 5 raised to minus 7 into 6 raised to minus 5. Here also expanded there. 3 raised to minus 5. 10 how we can write? 2 into 5 raised to minus 5. 10 we can write it as 2 5s are 10. Into 125 how we can write? 5 raised to 3. 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 120. So 5 raised to 3 represent as 125. Again 5 raised to minus 6 how we can write? 2 3s are 6 but power is how much? Minus 5. Next process, power give to the inside bracket. 3 raised to minus 5 is there into minus 5, power minus 5 give to inside each number. 2 is given by the power minus 5. 5 is given by the power minus 5. 5 raised to 3 divided by 5 raised to minus 7 into, here minus 5 power give to inside number, minus 5 into 3 raised to minus 5. Cancellation here. 3 raised to minus 5, 3 raised to minus 5. 2 raised to minus 5, 2 raised to minus 5. Same numbers we can cancel there. Again in numerator part is in which form? A raised to m into a raised to n. What is that? The multiplication case powers are at that form. Base is 5, power is minus 5 plus 3 is the power. Denominator part which number is there? Minus 7 is there. Then calculation do in time. Here minus 5 plus 3 become how much? Minus 2 will come in. Minus 2 divided by 5 raised to minus 7. Again which form this one? A raised to m by a raised to n. How to do? Base right one time, powers are subtract. So here same base is 5, power are minus 2 subtracted with the second denominator number power, that is minus 7. So answer become how much? 5 raised to minus 2, minus of minus change into plus 7, and final answer become 7 minus 2 comes to be 5. 5 raised to 5 is the answer, or multiply 5 into 5 into 5 multiply and a final answer right, or up to the right and stop. I hope you can understand this power notation. Remaining exercise we can discuss on the next class. Thank you.